Who is it, Piper?
The baby Jocelyn. I'll hold her.
You want to hold her?
You look adorable, honey.
Is she home?
I've never heard her say that before.
What?
Coochie coochie.
Where's Jocelyn's arm?
Get in here, baby.
It's too big, honey. It's okay. See? Her arm's right there.
Kipper. Kipper. What happened to your nose,
Little
honey?
squish.
Girls, can you walk downstairs, please?
Were you coloring for Jocelyn? Huh?
Thank you.
Piper.
Here we go.
Gracie girl, I need you.
Here we go.
She woke up? Hi, Shaylee.
Yeah,
It's
it's
my
your baby
sister.
sister.
Hi.
Hi, sweetheart.